Helps get the circulation going, keeps it healthy, keeps your hair from drying out. So that's kind of something that I did. And then our oil has lemongrass and rosemary in it. And there has been some, y'all know me, I'm gonna do my research. I love reading research articles because I'm a psych major. That's what we do. And I read a bunch of them, and the combination of rosemary and lemongrass is really helpful for people who have hair loss, alopecia, things like that. So it's really good for stimulating growth in hair. So yeah, that's really the main reason why I chose it.